gravitation force. Every object in the universe attracts each other object with a force which is called the force of gravity. The gravitational force between two objects is directly proportional to the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. Capital G equal to 6.67 multiply 10 raised to power minus 11. This is Newton's law of gravitation. Acceleration due to gravity. The uniform acceleration produced in a freely falling object due to gravitational pull of the earth is known as acceleration of gravity. Gravitational field. The space in the surrounding of any body in which the gravitational force can be experienced by other bodies is called gravitational force, gravitational field. Intensity of gravitational field. The gravitational force acting per unit mass at earth any point in gravitational field is called intensity of the gravitational field at that point. It is denoted by I, E, G or I equal to F upon M or I equal to Gm upon R square. Orbital velocity of a satellite is the minimum velocity required to the satellite into a given orbit around Earth. VO equal to root G R. Binding energy of satellite. Energy required to remove a satellite from its orbit around the Earth to infinity is called binding energy of the satellite. Binding energy BE equal to G M capital M small m upon 2r. Escape velocity of Earth on Earth is the minimum velocity with which a body has to be projected vertically upward from the Earth's surface. B equal to root 2gr. The definitions and formula of gravitational, all these learn all the students, and also numericals will be done. Next